If you struggle with stress eating, emotional eating, or other disordered eating behaviors, it's very likely that you are trying to avoid anxiety. Often, when we are numbing ourselves with food or restricting to a point where we're not feeling, underneath that is an ongoing feeling of anxiety. And anxiety is caused by fear-based thoughts. They're often related to some core beliefs that we have about ourselves and the world. So, in order to stop the need to medicate using food or other destructive behaviors, you want to address the anxiety because it's not fun or easy to live with ongoing anxiety. Of course, you want to feel better. However, there's wonderful ways to help yourself to feel better by regulating your nervous system, telling your body that it's safe in the moment, and eventually you can release the anxiety and have the freedom to make a choice. You don't have to run to food or any other disordered eating behavior or any other behavior to avoid or medicate. So, if you know me, you know that I use emotional freedom techniques, also known as tapping, which is a wonderful way to regulate the nervous system. There's also some other science-based tools and techniques that you can use as well. First thing you want to do is, even before you get to that place of anxiety, you want to start to make friends with your body. You want to start to make your body feel safe. And so, doing tapping, doing some havening, doing some processes and practices to let the body know that it's safe and that you know how to regulate it would be the first step. So, I'm going to show you some of these techniques so that you can be able to take care of yourself. You'll have tools and practices that will help you to heal your body. So I'm going to invite you to follow along with me. Often with my clients, I tell them to do some tapping in the morning, in the evening, just to train the brain into a more regulated state so that the body will feel calmer and safer. Because often we are in a fight, flight, freeze from old patterns, from current patterns. And so the brain is often in the habit of being in that pattern, in that loop. So to break the loop and to shift the brain, tapping is a wonderful tool. So I'm going to encourage you to follow along with me. Whether you're feeling anxiety in this moment or not, this is a great technique to apply regularly. You can start by tapping on the collarbone and take a nice deep breath in. And notice how this feels. This might do it. This might calm your whole nervous system down. Just tapping right here and breathing. And if you are feeling anxiety, this is a great go-to. Just allow yourself to tune into your breath, tune into your body, breathing and letting go. And then we'll do a round of tapping. And as you're tapping, you might even talk to your body. Let your body know that in this moment, all is well and we are safe. And take a deep breath in and let it go. In this moment, all is well and we are safe. As you're communicating with your body, the animal part of you, the part of you that's holding so much information and maybe even holding trauma and pain and difficulty. In this moment, we are safe. And of course, make sure that you're putting yourself in a safe place. If you need to draw some boundaries, if you need to be in a place where you feel safe and protected, you need to go ahead and do that. You are the caretaker of your body, the caretaker of the animal part of you. Underneath the eye, take a deep breath in and let it go. In this moment, we are safe. Ease and flow, release and let go. In this moment, we are safe. And if you're having a hard time believing that, because your nervous system is activated and the fight, flight, freeze is going on in your body, you just keep tapping and breathing, and eventually your body will calm down. In this moment, we are safe. And tapping on the liver point, if that's available to you. If any of these points are not comfortable or available, you can skip them. Just tune into the points that feel most comfortable for you. Underneath the arm, take a deep breath in and let it go. And then give yourself a hug. Take another deep breath in and let it go. And we'll do some havening here. So from your shoulders to your elbows, in this moment, we are safe. Take a deep breath in and let it go. And rocking the body often helps it to feel safe too. Again, we're regulating the nervous system, we're calming the body down, and we're letting it know that even if it's been triggered, even if an old memory or an experience triggered something and it's bringing up anxiety, that in this moment, we are safe. And breathing and releasing. And then with the palms of your hands, this is going to get into the limbic brain and calm it down. In this moment, we are safe. In this moment, we are safe. And then you can gently touch your face with a gentle, loving, you're taking care of the body. You're calming it down. It's as if your child were frightened. You want to hold him or her and let him or her know that in this moment, we are safe. Now, if you have a particular situation or experience that triggers anxiety, you want to be more specific. So I'm going to encourage you to apply tapping in a more specific way. So as you're tapping on the side of your hand, take a deep breath in and let it go. And you can notice how you're feeling in your body. Maybe you've calmed down a bit, or maybe you're still feeling anxious. And maybe you know exactly what's triggering the anxiety. Or maybe you don't know, it's just free-floating anxiety. I know when I stopped numbing myself with food, I had a lot of free-floating anxiety. My nervous system was very dysregulated, and I had to practice techniques and tools that calmed me down so that my body actually did feel safe. So we can start with a setup statement. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And if you're having difficulty loving and accepting yourself in this moment, you can say, wouldn't it be nice to be more accepting of myself? Even though I have anxiety in my body, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I accept myself with love and compassion. Now you can simply tune into the anxiety you're feeling in your body or the situation, person, circumstance that triggered the anxiety. You're letting your body know that it's safe and it can feel all of the feelings associated with this situation. You don't have to run away. Tap the top of the head. Take a deep breath in and let it go. all of this anxiety that I'm feeling in my body. In this moment, we are safe. Take a deep breath in and let it go. In this moment, we are safe. And even though my body's feeling anxious, my mind is racing, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself and remind my body that in this moment, we are safe. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Ease and flow. Release and let go. Ease and flow. Release and let go. I choose to release all of those thoughts, feelings, experiences, memories that have my body feeling unsafe. Today I choose to create safety for my body. And in this moment, we are safe. And make sure that you are in a safe place, and make sure that you have healthy boundaries around people that don't feel safe. You have the power to be a good caretaker of your body. In this moment, we are safe. All of this anxiety, all of this fear, all of this worry, all of this stress, it's safe to let it go. Ease and flow, release and let go. And at each point, if you can take a deep breath in, and on the exhalation, releasing the tension in your body, the stress in your body, you will calm down the brain, calm down the body, and your body will indeed begin to feel safe. In this moment, we are safe. And noticing how you're feeling, and it might even be bringing up some memories that got triggered, some experiences where it wasn't safe, or maybe you made a decision that the world wasn't safe, or maybe you felt powerless and hopeless and unable to take care of yourself. Today you can take care of yourself. Today you can take actions to keep yourself safe, and you can regulate your nervous system and let your body know that it is safe. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Ease and flow, release and let go. And then you're going to thank your body. Thank you, body, for letting me know that something is out of balance. Thank you, body, for speaking to me. Thank you, body, for letting me know that you need my attention. And in this moment, we are safe. And tune into something in your experience that feels safe. How does it feel to feel safety in your body? How does it feel knowing that you can be a good caretaker and protector of this body? You can draw healthy boundaries, you can keep yourself safe, and you can release the anxiety so that you don't have a need to medicate and avoid and numb. Because it doesn't make the anxiety go away, it's just numbing it. And when you stop the behavior, it's going to come up. So the best way to release anxiety is allow it to move through you. If we squash it down, it's just waiting. And eventually it takes more and more substances or distraction to numb it down. In this moment, we are safe. There's also something called butterfly tapping, which is also a wonderful way to calm down your nervous system. Activate the parasympathetic response, which is the relaxation response, the rest and digest. Great process to do before you even eat a meal. So you're eating a meal in a more relaxed state, and you get more nutrients from your meal when you're doing that. In this moment, we are safe. Bring your hands to your heart. Take a deep breath in and let it go. And that's another great thing to do if you are feeling anxious, just simply bringing your hands to your heart. Talk to your body. In this moment, we are safe. And take some nice deep breaths. You can master taking care of your body. It's the animal part of you, the human part of you. You have the power to take care of your body. There are many tools that can help you. If you have some deeper things that need to be addressed, it's always helpful to get a professional to help you. So if you're interested in considering getting some professional help, I'd be happy to chat with you to see if we are a good fit and I can potentially help you. Remember, in this moment, you can make yourself feel safe. I hope this was helpful. And as always, keep on taking good care of yourself. Bye now.